If you are preparing for SQL interviews, this question comes a lot. It was already asked in Google interviews. The question is find top 3 products in each category using window functions. For that I have written this query. Coming to query, here first I am selecting columns that we need from the products tables. After that I apply row number window function which does 3 things. First one is the partition by class. It divides products into separate groups by categories. Second one is the order by class. It arranges all products in descending order. Within each category, group by sales in descending order. Third thing is the row number. It assigns a sequential number like 1, 2, 3 to each product within its category. In this main select statement, I pull data from the ranked product. Why? Because now I can use product rank column to filter. Then I use where class to filter product rank less than or equal to 3 to get the top 3 products per category. Finally, I use order by class to organize everything neatly. First by category and then by rank. Once we execute this query, we get the result like this.